Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description, and remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. Today we're exploring M1 Finance, found at https://www.m1.com. M1 Finance is a compelling platform that aims to simplify investing by combining automated investing features with a customizable approach. It's designed to help you build and manage a diversified investment portfolio with relative ease, regardless of your experience level. One of M1 Finance's core features is its pie investing system. This visually engaging tool allows you to construct your portfolio by allocating percentages to various slices, representing different stocks or ETFs. This pie-based approach makes it easy to visualize your asset allocation and adjust it according to your investment goals and risk tolerance. Want to increase your exposure to tech stocks? Simply adjust the size of the tech slice in your pie. M1 Finance also shines when it comes to automation. Once you've established your desired asset allocation, M1 handles the rest. It automatically invests your deposits and rebalances your portfolio to maintain your chosen proportions. This hands-off approach can save you time and effort, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with your long-term strategy. Furthermore, M1 Finance offers fractional shares, allowing you to invest in companies with high share prices even if you have a smaller budget. This opens doors to a wider range of investment opportunities and can help you diversify your portfolio more effectively. Beyond its core investing features, M1 Finance also provides tools for borrowing against your portfolio and managing your cash flow. These features can be particularly useful for investors seeking a comprehensive financial management solution. Of course, like any platform, M1 Finance has its nuances. While its automated approach is a significant advantage for many, those who prefer more hands-on control might find it somewhat limiting. It's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the platform's features and fees before making any investment decisions. Overall, M1 Finance provides a user-friendly and efficient way to build and manage a diversified investment portfolio. Its pie-based system and automated features make it an attractive option for investors seeking a simplified yet powerful investing experience. Be sure to check out the link in the description and see if M1 Finance is the right fit for you. Remember to do your own research, and as always, thanks for watching.